Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install the VirtualBox on Windows 11. So open the Google Chrome or whichever browser you use and type here download VirtualBox and go to first link. Then you should be able to see the first official site of VirtualBox. Just click on that and download for Windows. Now exe will be downloaded here like this. Just wait here. For few seconds. Now once it is downloaded, go to its downloaded folder here. Just double click on that and you will see VirtualBox is launching. We can close this now. Next, accept, next, leave everything as default. Yes, everything default. Next, install. And this is the latest VirtualBox as of now, 7.2.2. Now you can start it. And you should be able to see its interface like this. You need to click on new and you can create your new virtual machine here. You can name it whatever you want and you can see here the new virtual machine name as well. And if you close it, so you can find out here, just click on here and you should be able to see your recent apps. Otherwise the exe will be downloaded here. So this is how guys we can install the VirtualBox on our Windows 11. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.